Hello, welcome to my home away from home, my living room away from my living room, which, when I need it to be, can also be my bedroom away from my bedroom. And to convert it, all I have to do, lift up the front seat, which exposes my storage, pull out the legs, and then gently pull it forward. I'm 6'2", by the way. For sleeping, I am all good. But how do I convert it back? I'll show you. Gonna go in the reverse order here. Lift up the seat. By the way, still easily accessible. Fold in the legs. And then I've got these two ropes, which I'm working with a slightly injured hand, so I'm going to try and do this mostly with my left. Just lift it up a little bit. Push it back. Reclining position. Pull the back up. Upright position. This basic conversion should work for any minivan. Let me show you a few other little features. Cooler between the seats. Slide out for when I need it. I can always just put it over here, and then I've got an easy pathway through to the front seat. Set of drawers here. You could use these for clothing drawers. Instead, I keep all of my cooking stuff right in here. These bungee cords keep everything safe while you're driving. I've got backpacking stove here. Food, not much in it right now. Wet wipes, toilet paper, always good to have. Small things, very useful. But I'm getting a little hot in here. If I drove to the beach, I could always go boogie boarding. But right now, I think I just need to open up my doors. Nice big opening to get in and out of here. And if I want to keep the mosquitoes out, I can always put up my mosquito screen. And for the front windows, these mosquito screens, which stow really nicely right down here. Nice big window opening. You know, if I was leaving the car for a while or sleeping overnight, I'd probably roll it up a bit so, someone couldn't reach their hand through. Obviously, you wouldn't leave that up at night if you are stealth camping or worried about security. Window screen is pretty inconspicuous. It's almost like having basically like shaded windows in the front. It's completely inconspicuous. It just looks like a standard minivan. Tried to also give it all the conveniences of a camper. Hang out and enjoy the view out the back. If you want to cook outside, you can keep your cooking stuff down here, fold up the bed, and you've got a table that you can even pull out a little further. I also did all of it without any real modifications to the car. So the middle seats have been taken out of the minivan completely. They could be put back in, but I don't need them. If I do need to carry more passengers though, the whole bed frame comes apart without any hardware. It just folds up, and then you can pull this rearmost seat up, stow it behind the seat. For short distances, you could carry someone in the back. We actually did rig up the seat belts. You can also take this seat out entirely and have a bunch of extra storage space underneath that. But I found that just the 4 kind of bins under the bed were plenty storage for me, and even for me traveling with a companion, or as I often do, a cat.